Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lata from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering in the Department of CSE Data Science. Today I am here to discuss about access matrix in operating system. Let us see agenda of this video. First, introduction, definition and purpose of access matrix and types of access matrix models and access control list, access rights and permissions, access matrix implementation in operating system, advantages and disadvantages, and conclusion and key takeaways. Let us see one by one. Let's move on to the what is introduction to access matrix. An access matrix is a security model of an operating system that enforces subject-object access control. It regulates which user or processes have to access to specific resources and what operation they can perform. Next, definition and purpose of access matrix. First, what is access matrix? Access matrix defines subject and object with related access rights. When it comes to its purpose, it ensures confidentiality, integrity, and availability of system resources. Its purpose is to provide a granular level of control over access to the system's resources, allowing administrators to specify exactly who can do what, therefore ensuring system integrity and confidentiality. And types of access matrix models, there are three types. First, discretionary access control, mandatory access control, and lastly role based access control. Let us see one by one. First, discretionary access control. In discretionary access control, owner of the resources decides how it can be shared. Owner can choose to give, read or write access to the other resources. Next, mandatory access control. User works in company and the company decides how data should be shared. For example, hospital owns patients' records and limits their sharing. Regulatory requirements may limit sharing. Lastly, role-based access control. This model assigns permission based on role within an organization, streamlining access rights management for large number of users. Next, access control list. We have to follow some steps in access control list. First, we have to define ACLs. Access control lists are an embodiment of the discretionary access control model, trying permissions directly to each resources such as file or directory. Next, granularity. ACLs provide a detailed list specifying which user or system processes can perform which type of operation on each resources. Next, scalability challenges. While they offer detailed control, managing ACLs can become complex in larger systems where resources are vast and user roles frequently change. Let us move on to the capabilities of access matrix. Token based access. Capabilities are a form of access control where a user or process is given a token, an unforgivable key that bestows certain rights over a resources. Direct authorization. These tokens allows direct authorization to the resources without further checking, streamlining the access process and reducing system load. Limited transferability. Capability can be designed to be transferable between users, although this usually comes with a restriction to prevent misuse. Access rights and permission. First, it need to take permission to read. Enables a user to view the contents of a file or a resource without modifying it, ensuring data integrity while allowing information dissemination. Next, it have to take permission to write. It provides the ability to alter or delete the contents of a file, enabling users to update and maintain relevant data. Execute permission allows a user to run a program or script, translating into a ability to leverage computing resources to perform tasks. Access matrix implementation in operating system. In Linux or Unix. In Linux system, the access matrix is typically implemented through a combination of file permission and access control lists, providing a robust or versatile mechanism for resources protection. In Windows utilize a detailed ACL system allowing administrator to configure precise access rights to files, folder and even registry entries. Mac OS. Based on Unix, Mac OS also uses a permission and ACL system with a specific focus on providing a secure yet user-friendly experience. Let us move on to the advantages and disadvantages of access matrix. First, advantages. A fine grained control over permission and clear definition of rights for audit trails. Flexible implementation across various models. When it comes to its disadvantages, it is complexity in management for large system. A potential for over privileging leading to security risks. Performance overhead from access checks. Real world example of access matrix usage. First, banking system. Banks utilize access matrix to protect sensitive financial data, ensuring only authorized personnel can access virtual systems and records. Second, in healthcare records. In healthcare, access matrix help in maintaining a patient confidentiality by secretly managing who can view or update medical records. Government agencies. Bodies employ access matrix to protect classified information, providing access based on clearance levels and need to known basis. Conclusion and key takeaways. Modes. Remember that access matrix models comes in various forms, each with distinct advantages and ideal use cases. Core functions. Read, write and execute permissions are the backbone of the access matrix, and it is critical to understanding how it controls access. Integration. Recognize the pervasive nature of the access matrix within modern operating system, forming the basis of resources security. When it comes to its summary, the journey through the realm of access matrix within operating system has shown us the sophistication and necessity of this model in today's technological landscape. As system evolve, the threats to security become more complex. The principle underlying the access matrix remain as relevant as ever. It offers a framework that is not only foundational to system security but also adaptable to the emerging challenges of cybersecurity and privacy. Thank you.